What's up, everybody? We're in Seychelles. Beautiful beach to metal detect. Very excited. I just got my first signal. It was right here, I believe. Let me get my machine. I forgot my dang pinpointer in the hotel. But... Oh, I hear a coin. There it is. What is it? ₹1. Nice. 1997 rupee. Shaking in the hand. Alright, we'll see you maybe on the next one. Alright, I got another one in the cheap little sand thing. We'll see what this is. And that's the bottle cap. Saber. Alright. See you. Alright, we got another good signal. Coming over here. Kick the sand around. And there it is. What is it? 1997 again. And another ₹1. That's two rupees today. Alright, pretty happy about that. Okay, same spot, I got another signal. It's about the same signal, so it might be another ₹1. Oh, I hear it. ₹1. And this one is a 2010. Alright, that's 3 today. Doing well. Alright, I think I found a nice little hot spot where people drop a lot of money. I just kicked the sand around. It was over there. I kicked it. I don't have my pinpointer, so I had to kick it out until I found it. I just kicked over and I see it right there. It's another coin. Never seen one like this. It is a 10 rupee. Wow. Very nice. Very exciting. Rupees aren't really worth much money, but they are here, so I'll probably end up using all this money here. Maybe keep a couple for my fines, but yeah, let's keep going. We'll see you guys next. Alright, good morning, guys. Another day. I didn't do much metal detecting yesterday. Played in the beach too much. But I'm out here again. And I just found this little silver thing. Probably just a button. It's not silver, I don't think, but there's a lot of trash on this beach. A lot of bottle caps and foil, but we're gonna give it a go and see what we can find. Alright guys, we'll see you if I find anything else. Alright guys, I just found a nice little find. There's a crab though. Good morning, crab. A little bottle opener. Looks like it's got a flag on it. Yeah. Nice little souvenir for our trip to Seychelles. Alright. Well, I got my first coin of the day. Another 10 rupees. 2018. My kid will love that. Alright, see you in the next. Oh my god, guys, I just found my first ring. Super excited. I'm not sure if it's real or not, but it was right here by the 5 rupees. Oh! It's really thin. Super excited about this. Little stars. And 925 stamped on the inside, so it's definitely silver. I can't get it to focus, guys, but would you look at that? I am so excited about this. I wonder if that's a real diamond. Good Lord, thank you. All right, keep on going. I found the hot spot right here. Another 5 rupees. Doing really well right here. Pretty happy. All right, guys. We'll see ya. I'll find some more. Over by this little log seat in the bushes. Another rupee, just a single. Sweet, got another 10 rupees out here in this little area. Not sure what this coin is, it's quite small. Can't get the sand off it. I might take it down to the beach. Either way, I'll put a picture in the video after it's cleaned up. Crab working hard like me, digging away. Just found 5 more rupees. Oh, let me zoom out. Another 5 rupees. Doing alright. Really hope to find another ring or so. Alright, we'll see you on the next one, guys. Beautiful here, isn't it? Dang. Alright, guys. I'm getting ready to get out of here. It's getting really hot. Time to get in that nice crystal blue water. But I just had a nice signal. I'm gonna check it out with you guys. See it right there. Doesn't look like a coin, but could be a second ring, and it really looks like it. Yeah. Is it gold? Stamped 929 on the inside. It doesn't really look like gold, and doesn't really look like a real stone. It's probably just a fake ring. Either way, brilliant find. Exciting stuff. Now I got 2 rings. Bam! I'm not sure if this one's a real diamond. It doesn't really shine like a diamond, and it's only in a silver ring, so it's probably just a, I don't know, quartz or something. Cubic zirconium, something like that. Alright, guys. I just had this come up. It's pretty. Probably nothing real valuable, but definitely a cool find. Really nice little find right here. It's got some stones in it. Might be diamonds. I don't know. Pretty stoked about that though. Look at that. I have to clean it up and get you guys a better picture. Alright. Just found a bracelet. Just found a bracelet, guys. I think it's silver too. It came up silver anyway on the dang machine I'm using, the Safari. Oh yeah. Another piece of silver. Italy, it says. Definitely silver. Woohoo! 10 rupees. $2018. Alright. Money in the bank. 10 cents. Republican of Seychelles. Alright. Moving on. Kids swimming in the water. I don't know if you're metal detector. It's got a nice little pendant.